Hello, we're going to be presenting our study titled The Effect of Technology Use Before Bed on Sleep Quality in College Students. Our abstract shows a little summary of the project. We use different methods in our approach, containing various survey data and a focus group to research if screen time before bed impacts a student's sleep. Our theory was that higher technology use would bring poor sleep quality, but looking at our results, it showed little connection. On average, the students reported that they have used tech for 58 minutes before bed on average, but this didn't consistently predict poor sleep. There were mixed opinions from the focus group. It suggested that tech affects people differently. In the introduction, we showed why the topic matters. As college students, we often use our laptops and phones late at night. Our sleep and health is important to succeed in our goals. It is important to know if this affects them. Fenton et al. 2021 found that Vietnamese students had worse sleep when using devices for more than 30 minutes before bed, but no real connection was found between sleep quality and screen use. It suggested that the individual factors might matter more. Our research asks, does more screen time tech use predict lower sleep quality in college students?
We used a between-subject correlation design with 35 college students. Participants completed an online Google form that selected questions from the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index. Instead of scoring the full PSQI out of 21, we simplified it into a 0-3 scale for each key component, then averaged the scores. This allowed for a quicker comparison without losing sight of the major sleep issues. In Table 1, you can see the PSQ1 components we used. These included sleep latency, which means how long it takes to fall asleep, sleep duration, night awakenings, and daytime dysfunctions. We also asked about medication use and feeling tired during the day. Each question was rated between 0 to 3 scale, which 3 indicated more dysfunctions. Technology usage was self-reported in minutes, and we calculated the average screen time before bed. Finally, we also conducted a focus group of 6 students to get qualitative insights.
So let's take a look at the results of our study. Quantitatively, we examined the relationship between bedtime screen use and sleep quality using a Pearson correlation. Students reported using technology for an average of about 58 minutes before bed, and their average sleep quality score based on our simplified PSQI was 1.51 out of 3. The correlation between screen time and PSQI score was 0.05, and that really indicated a very weak and pretty non-significant relationship between technology use and poor sleep. You can see in Figure 1 where we plotted each student's tech use in minutes against their approximate sleep score, and there's really no clear trend because high and low PSQI scores are pretty scattered across all tech usage levels, and this suggests that individual differences may play a key role. For the qualitative portion, our 6-person focus group gave a pretty wide range of responses. These were grouped into themes shown in Table 2. Some students felt that tech worsened their sleep, for example, staying up late watching TikToks, and others said that tech really didn't have an effect, or it even helped them fall asleep because it relaxed them. A few mentioned specific strategies like reading instead of scrolling. And these mixed responses reflect what Orzek et al. 2016 found, and that was that the type and diversity of media use matters. Their research showed that using a variety of media before bed might actually buffer negative effects on sleep, and this could really explain why some of our participants who used more passive or varied tech didn't really report poor sleep despite their high usage.
In the discussion, we compared our findings to existing research. Al-Sharif 2022 found that bedtime tech use was significantly linked to poor sleep and daytime tiredness in adults, which doesn't match our results. One possible reason is that we used a simplified PSQI and relied on self-reports. Another is that students may have used passive forms of tech like messaging or watching videos, which may be less disruptive. The TED Talk Interrupted Sleep points out that notifications and phone checking can fragment sleep, something our study didn't directly measure but may explain differences. Even though our students averaged about an hour of screen time, many didn't report poor sleep. This may be due to habits like muting notifications or using blue light filters. Overall, our study suggests there is no one-size-fits-all rule for screen time and sleep. We recommend future research that examines what kind of tech students use before bed and why. Our findings support more personalized digital wellness strategies instead of general screen time limits.